It's so exciting for us to hear great feedback. We really do take the time to provide everyone with a first-class experience. And it's so rewarding to know that our efforts aren't going unnoticed. But it's even better that we can share it with you right now. We know the level of service we try to provide, but this type of feedback makes us push harder to do better. We love to hear the good news when someone takes the time to tell us they appreciate the job we're doing. So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we're confident you'll appreciate our attention to quality. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.